In today's show, why a vegan diet is a game changer for diabetes, we will explore how this chronic condition develops and why natural plant foods play a crucial role in its treatment. Living with diabetes can pose daily challenges, such as monitoring blood glucose levels, adhering to stringent meal plans, and overseeing medications or insulin injections with unwavering attention. The mental toll brought by the weight of diabetes management and concerns over potential complications is also draining. A 2021 report from the International Diabetes Federation found that 1 in 10 adults aged 20 and above is struggling with diabetes. Projections for 2045 predict a 46% increase, affecting around 783 million people. That means 1 in every 8 adults will have diabetes. What might surprise you is that not many people know about the connection between diabetes and animal people meat and dairy products. It's time to uncover the hidden information about dishes loaded with flesh and dairy, exposing their role in the escalating prevalence of type 2 diabetes. Before we delve into how animal people products are linked to diabetes, let's take a brief look at diabetes itself for a better understanding. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that impacts the body's ability to convert food into energy. After eating, the body breaks down ingested carbohydrates into glucose, releasing it into the bloodstream. When your blood sugar levels go up, it signals the pancreas to release insulin, a hormone that acts like a key, facilitating the entry of blood glucose into cells for energy utilization. When this process is disrupted, either because the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin or the body can't use insulin effectively, you will end up with type 2 diabetes. Now please don't get this condition confused with type 1 diabetes, which is an autoimmune disease where the immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, causing a shortage of insulin. Type 2 diabetes constitutes approximately 90% of all adult cases. Having diabetes can lead to many other conditions, such as vision loss, hypertension, and slow wound healing. Neuropathy stands out as one of the prevalent long-term complications of diabetes. Research indicates that up to half of individuals with diabetes experience peripheral neuropathy, or damage to nerves outside of the brain and spinal cord, while over 30% may suffer from autonomic neuropathy, or harm to nerves controlling vital automatic body functions like heart rate. Prolonged elevated blood sugar levels can lead to damage in the small blood vessels responsible for nourishing the body's nerves. As a result, essential nutrients struggle to reach the nerves, leading to possible damage or loss of nerve fibers. These can cause issues in different parts of the body, depending on the type of nerve affected. While carbohydrates and sugars have traditionally received a significant amount of attention in discussions about diabetes, the dangers of saturated fats have gained recognition in recent years. The development of type 2 diabetes is a complex interplay of various factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and diet. Although carbohydrates and sugars, especially excess consumption of highly processed and sugary foods, also play a role in causing diabetes, intake of saturated fats from animal people meat and dairy foods is an underestimated risk factor for the condition. Renowned American physician Dr. Michael Greger explains, fat in the bloodstream can build up inside the muscle cells, create toxic fatty breakdown products, and free radicals that can block the signaling pathway process. So, no matter how much insulin we have out in our blood, it's not able to open the glucose gates, and blood sugar levels build up in the blood. This can result in elevated blood sugar levels, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Despite being perceived as a lifelong disease with no cure, type 2 diabetes is closely linked to lifestyle factors such as excess weight, poor diet, and insufficient physical activity. This means that adopting a whole foods vegan diet and transitioning to a healthier lifestyle can lead to a significant boost in well-being. In a 2023 study published in the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine, adopting a lifestyle prescription involving a whole food, plant-predominant diet alongside standard medical treatment resulted in pronounced improvements in blood glucose control. Notably, 37% of the individuals achieved complete diabetes remission. This study stands out because it didn't ask participants to cut calories or fast. Instead, the results show a trend towards diabetes remission, not just improvement. Not just those with type 2 diabetes, but also individuals with type 1 diabetes can find relief through a plant-based diet. Researchers from the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine tracked 2 people with type 1 diabetes who both switched to a vegan diet. They found that these individuals experienced notable improvements in insulin sensitivity, a decrease in insulin dosage injections, and enhancements in cardiovascular risk factors. These case studies bring hope for treating the autoimmune disease of type 1 diabetes. The evidence is clear. Adopting a wholesome vegan diet and avoiding unhealthy animal people meat and dairy products can lead to weight loss and reduced fat accumulation in body cells, thereby improving insulin sensitivity. In addition to helping individuals avoid diabetic risks, natural plant foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and low in fat. This provides protective effects for diabetes control and reduces associated health issues such as obesity, hypertension, cardiovascular problems, kidney disorders, and hyperlipidemia, or high cholesterol. Plant-based diets foster robust health. After a meal, our digestive tract releases hormones known as incretins, with glucagon-like peptide 1 and gastric inhibitory peptide being the primary ones. Incretins play a crucial role in boosting insulin secretion and maintaining glucose balance. A randomized study published in the journal Nutrients found that the consumption of plant-based foods enhances the secretion of incretin hormones, improves the function of pancreatic beta cells, and promotes insulin sensitivity. These results suggest that a vegan diet is an excellent choice for people managing diabetes. Extensive research indicates that inflammation is a common risk factor for weight gain, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. A low-fat vegan diet can help reduce harmful compounds known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, in the body. AGEs form when protein or fat combines with sugar in the bloodstream, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress. People with diabetes, due to elevated blood sugar levels, are at a higher risk of excessive AGEs production. Elevated AGEs levels are linked to heart disease, kidney failure, Alzheimer's, and premature aging. It's worth noting that AGEs can also form during high-temperature cooking methods like grilling or frying, particularly in high-fat and high-protein animal people-derived foods. To address chronic inflammation and reduce associated damage, choosing plant-based antioxidant-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, spices, and herbs can play a crucial role in promoting overall health. Besides helping the body to reduce inflammation, there are also many more benefits a vegan diet can bring us. It is rich in fiber, which helps lessen the glycemic response by slowing the release of sugar during food metabolism. Boosting your daily fiber intake to 50 grams, evenly divided between soluble and insoluble fiber, has shown positive effects for those dealing with diabetes. A recent study suggests it can enhance glucose control and reduce blood lipid concentrations. Keeping insulin levels in check not only helps manage blood sugar but also allows the satiety hormone leptin to signal fullness. Combined with the satisfying effects of fiber, this duo can curb overeating and support healthy weight. Additionally, dietary fiber promotes the growth of beneficial microbes in the gut, producing short-chain fatty acids. These compounds enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Enriching your life with a plant-based diet can be a game changer for managing diabetes, supported by a robust body of evidence, highlighting its benefits in glucose control and reducing medication dependence. As you embark on this journey, remember the importance of seeking professional advice to tailor your plant-based choices to your unique needs. Opt for low-sugar fruits like berries and kiwis to steady your blood sugar. Include a mix of colorful plant foods for antioxidants, and balance your diet with proteins, carbs, and healthy fats for satiety. Regular exercise is key for diabetes management, helping burn fat and improve insulin sensitivity. If you're on blood sugar lowering medication, consult your doctor before diving into a new exercise routine. Keep your well-being a top priority, and with a healthy vegan lifestyle, your journey to wellness is right around the corner.
God, so many are suffering at the hands of humans. Gentle lambs, the very symbol of your Son and of perfect innocence, are genetically manipulated and forced to grow not in the way that you intended, but in a way that humans desire, to produce more wool for us. These lambs are beaten and abused, and in the end they are slain for their skin and their flesh. Hear their cries, God, and make human ears hear them too. Reverend Sarah Bowen, vegan.
Cordial viewers, it has been a pleasure to have you with us for Why a Vegan Diet is a Game Changer for Diabetes.